Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nokia X10 and I will show you what is the maximum zoom range on the camera photo mode. Okay, so just take a look. When you are in the photo mode, we can try to zoom in with the two fingers, and as you can see the maximum zoom range, it's actually the 8x. And that's, by the way, the quality of the zoom. It's actually not bad, looking sharp. Let's make it one more time. As you can see, we can zoom to the 8 times. And the focus and the quality, it's actually not bad for that price range on the phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.